Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your go-to place for the latest and most exciting products across every category. Today, we're diving into 5 high-performance RC vehicles that deliver speed, power, and realism right out of the box. Let's get started. Number 5. The Losi 22S Sprint. This 1/10 scale dirt oval car is built to capture the thrill of real sprint car racing. It features a powerful brushless system with a 3,300 kV motor and a 45 amp Smart Light ESC, delivering speeds of over 25 miles per hour on a 2SLIPO battery. Designed as a ready-to-run package, it includes a smart battery, USB-C charger, transmitter, receiver, and waterproof metal gear servo. The aluminum chassis, oil-filled shocks, and clipless body mounting system make it both durable and easy to maintain. With its realistic cage, wings, and race-inspired design, it offers an authentic oval racing experience. Number 4. The ARRMA Limitless 1/7/8S BLX. This extreme speed machine is engineered for high-performance street runs, capable of reaching speeds well beyond 100 miles per hour when properly equipped. It features a robust 4WD drivetrain, a 160A Smart ESC, and a 1,450 kV brushless motor. Built on a durable 3mm anodized aluminum chassis, it supports both 6S and 8S battery setups. Aerodynamic elements like a large rear wing and front splitter help maintain stability at high speeds. With all-metal drivetrain components and EXB differentials, it's designed for reliability during intense speed runs. Number 3. The Losi BAJA 2.0. This 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive desert truck combines scale realism with serious off-road capability. Modeled after the Ford F-150 Raptor, it features licensed details including method race wheels and BF Goodrich tires. Powered by a 3,800 kV brushless motor and 130 amp ESC, it can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour on a 3S battery. Its long travel suspension, 4-link live rear axle, and independent front suspension allow it to handle rough terrain and jumps with ease. The functional roll cage, LED light bars, and detailed interior add to its realistic appearance. Number 2. The ARRMA TALION 6SEXB. This 1/8 scale speed truggy is built for extreme bashing and high-speed action. It features a 2,050 kV brushless motor paired with a 150 amp Smart ESC, capable of delivering speeds over 65 miles per hour on 6S power. The EXB upgrades include reinforced aluminum components, heavy-duty shock towers, and a durable drivetrain designed to handle aggressive driving. Its wide stance and low-profile body improve stability, while oil-filled shocks and rugged tires help it tackle rough terrain and big jumps with confidence. Number 1. The Traxxas Mini X RT VXL 3S Red. This compact yet powerful RC truck delivers big performance in a smaller, portable design. Equipped with the Valinian VXL3S brushless system, it reaches speeds of over 40 miles per hour on a 2S battery and can exceed 55 miles per hour with a 3S upgrade. The 4WD drivetrain, wide max suspension, and low wide stance provide excellent control across different surfaces. It also features a clipless body, durable driveline components, and a metal gear steering servo. With its aggressive styling and strong acceleration, it brings high-performance excitement in a convenient size. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.